Hi everyone. Today's one of those days that I feel like I want to cook at the grill so bad. And there's some weather out there that's not helping. So I'm trying to put an idea here together. I brought my little portable grill. And I tried to see if there's a way that I can set this guy in the fireplace somehow. So let's see what we can do to fit it. I guess folding the legs. Okay, now I have more room. I'm pretty sure that this gap right here is not gonna open, it's too big. But if I remove this clip, and I take off the pin, separate this apart. Now this is a lot more handy, isn't it? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna need that part today. I set the charcoal, sorry, I set the charcoal in advance. I'm putting lighter fluid, I get this thing set. A lot of people put lighter fluid and likes to turn on right away. That's not a good idea. You get your chocolate wet, especially right there in the middle. There we go. I try to get all of them evenly. Okay, I think that's probably good for now. Now I have to wait 5 minutes before spray a little bit more before turn on this. So in the meantime, I will try to set these guys in the fireplace. So let's see how it goes. Oh, here we go. Okay, 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's see what can we do here. I guess it's inside the house. There's not much air flow. So I will probably open the vents wide open. Of course, I need to set the chimney. Okay, the chimney or fireplace is already set. I'm thinking about turning on the fan. Okay, I got the fan on. Let's see. Wait for the fan. Let's see. Oh my God, I want a steak so bad. Let's cross the fingers. Since this is an experiment, that's a good sign. That's probably a good sign. Ooh. I'm making heat. This is like it's working. Ooh. I got the fire. Let me move this guy away. You don't need to be here anymore. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be watching this charcoal to make sure I have the heat I need before to chop the steak. We will see in shortly. Back here. Okay, this is looking promising. I got gray charcoals. Waiting a little bit for the fire. Ooh, it's hot here. My goodness, I might have to change my clothes and put on some shorts. Spray this maybe. set. Broaching time. I got a good feeling about this idea. And you know what, guys? This is probably one of the cheapest grills you can get. It's looking good. Okay, to close this to control the fire for a moment. Love it so far. Let's see. Oh, it's smoking. Look. Look. I don't want to put it inside the house, but it's smoking. All over the place is smoke. Not too hot, not too hot. Okay. I need to toss my steak. Ah, right there. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, look at the lines already. Ooh. I will share with you the steaks in shortly, okay? See you soon. Okay, let's see now. Go here. Oh, look at that. That's a very good medium well right there. Let's see if I can put it better. Right there. It works. Well, guys, everything went pretty well as planned. I'm pretty sure you all have a friend who likes to cook at the grill and sometimes weather is not helping. Share this video with them. You will make their day. You will make their day for them. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.